breakfast this morning, or should I say brunch, 1 slice of Neville's bread and 2 of the mackerel fillets for 2 cents. Lunch today is a coffee and a salad, so the leaves are out the garden, some tomatoes, some ham, 30 grams of Tesco mature cheese for one of my Healthy Extra A's, and some beetroot salad from Tesco's, which is free on the plan. For pudding, I'm going to have a Muller Light, custard one for half a sin, plenty of berries, and the other half of my Healthy Extra B, which is a high fibre, the fruit and nut ones. Now I believe they're stopping selling these shortly, so I'll have to go online and get a stock up with them, because they're definitely my favourite one, if that rumour is true. See you later. Afternoon snack time, so I'm going to have another coffee and Weight Watchers Thai style sweet chilli snacks for 4.5 cents and an apple. Tea tonight is tomato and chorizo pasta bake, so 2.5 cents for the chorizo and 3 cents for the cheese that's on the top. Pudding tonight is going to be a flat peach and a nectarine and another packet of these Boca mini marshmallows for 1.5 cents. So I'm hoping I've got this right tonight. I should have also said that in the pasta bake there was lots of peppers and onions for speed. I didn't really want to have any more speed on the side, but it actually was absolutely delicious. Mine had slightly less cheese on it than everybody else's. So today, I am ending today on 14 cents. So I had my mackerel this morning, a packet of crisps, the chorizo in my pasta bake for 2.5 cents, cheese for 3 cents, Muller Light this morning or at lunchtime I think it was, at half a cent, and the marshmallows for 1.5 cents. So ending today on 14 cents. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.